JoJo, and welcome to another Michael's Maker video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your slime even more awesome. This is going to be a super fun and super creative way that you can unplug this summer. So you guys know this, I love Nickelodeon and I also love slime, and Michael's has so many fun things you can add into it. Check it out. First, take your favorite slime and put it in a big bowl. Next, I'm gonna put a few sequins with some pom-poms, little pony beads on top. Now let's mix all this together. Look at it, it's a color explosion. Or you can add some black glitter and make it look like the galaxy. And you can put silver sequiny stars in. Yeah! All right, I think my black glitter is all mixed in. Let's put lots of silver stars in. Let's mix all of this together. It turned out so good. I am so happy with this. It literally looks like the Milky Way right now. Now, it is time to make some epic silver and gold dazzling sparkling slime. I'm gonna use some silver and gold sequins to start. Might as well throw in some silver sparkles while we're at it. I got some little shimmery sequins. Let's put some metallic pony beads in this. And last but not least, some white glitter. Just a little pinch. And now it's time to mix it. And look at how easy it was to make. I mean, I just added in a whole bunch of fun things, and look at how cool it looks. And voila, whatever you make, it's all about having fun. Ta-da! Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to head over to your local Michael's store this Saturday starting at 1 o'clock for a make break. Also, too, make sure to share all your crafty creations with me by using hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels. Bye, guys. Have fun making.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.